No, sorbite. So this is also produced by the transformation of temper martensite. It is produced when steel is heated at a fairly rapid rate from the temperature of solid solution to the normal room temperature. It has a good strength and it is particularly pearlite. It's it has a good strength and is practically pearlite. Okay, so its properties are intermediate between those of pearlite and troostite. So whatever we have discussed in troostite, troostite, and pearlite. So if we talk about sorbite, then the sorbite has then sorbite has a property in between the pearlite and troostite. Okay.